डे जब स्टार्ट होता है तब से लेकर
This will be your grooming area, जहाँ पे अगर आप हॉस्टल से रेडी होके भी नहीं आ पा रहे, you have this area in the campus जहाँ पे आप रेडी हो सकते हो. You can get ready. Like you are seeing all the girls, cabin crew, they are getting ready here. Now let's come to the technical area of D-Fly, जहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा कंप्यूटर स्किल्स भी सीखते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपको एयरलाइन में एज अ ग्राउंड स्टाफ भी काम करना होगा तो आपको बहुत सारे सिस्टम रिलेटेड चीज़ें सीखनी होंगी, जो हमें यहाँ पे सर सिखाते हैं, हु इज एन एविएशन एक्सपर्ट. सर ने बहुत सारे एयरलाइंस में काम किया हुआ है. नाउ ही विल बी टीचिंग यू लॉट ऑफ टेक्निकल थिंग्स अबाउट द एयरलाइंस, कि आपको सिस्टम पे कैसे सारी चीज़ें मैनेज करनी है. वी कैन चेक हियर शी इज डूइंग द एयर इंडिया पार्ट. So guys, this is one of my favorite areas of D-Fly campus इंदौर, जिसमें आप टेरेस पे जब आएंगे you will find all this beautiful spaces जहाँ आप अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हैं, रिलैक्स हो सकते हैं अपनी क्लासेस से, ब्रेक में थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हैं, एक दूसरे से बात कर सकते हैं. Like you can see, some of our students are talking to each other and they are just discussing something about the class, लेकिन उनको एक बहुत अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर मिला है. And we have more students who are sitting here chit-chatting just to relax their minds. Like you can see, there are two girls, our aspiring cabin crew are talking to each other here. They are just spending time, good friends, you know. So आप जब यहाँ आते हो, of course you come alone, but eventually आपके friends बन जाते हैं class में, and you get time with them to chit-chat. Okay guys, so you can also see this is my favorite area, which is cafeteria. Of course, सभी को बहुत भूख लगती है. So when you are free from the classes, when you have a lunch break, you can always come here and have lunch, right? यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा खाना मिलता है. Like you will find घर जैसा खाना, मम्मी के हाथ जैसा खाना you will find here, right? तो अगर आप हॉस्टल में भी रह रहे हो D-Fly के, and if you are not liking the food there, you can definitely come and eat in the cafeteria. It's open area cafeteria and it's beautiful. You will love. Hello. So guys, we have one more interesting area. Basically, it is my favorite area because it's a photo shoot area. And you know what, लड़के और लड़कियाँ, when you wear the cabin crew uniform, D-Fly में आके, you always want to click a picture. Like you can see, one of our aspiring cabin crew is getting clicked in a picture. Oh my God. And she is looking really nice. You can see the same uniform you will get when you will come here. So you will also get clicked, and you can click so many pictures of yourself here. Girls especially, they love selfies. So selfie also you can click, and a normal picture also you can get clicked. So did you see how beautiful your campus was, right? So ये था इंदौर का campus of D-Fly, and same ऐसे ही सारी जगह पे बने हुए हैं D-Fly के अलग अलग centers. Like you can go to Mumbai, you can also go to Delhi, Patna, Dehradun. Ahmedabad has also very beautiful center. All the centers are beautifully designed, and you have cafeteria and all the aeroplane classrooms everywhere. Right? कहीं से भी आप अपना training करो, you will find all the campus interviews in all of them. Right, so please come and join us at D-Fly Institute of Air Hostess Training, which is #1 in India right now. So jaldi you can come with your parents, visit the campus and start your training as soon as possible. I am Surbhi, I will always be here to help you, and let's see you flying with your dreams. Thank you so much.